Hi, I'm Michael O'Keefe. I'm with the New York Daily News Sports Department. I just returned from State College, Pennsylvania. I've been covering the sex scandal that forced Penn State football coach Joe Paterno out of his job this week. I think that the big concern, at least going into the weekend, is tomorrow's game with Nebraska. Safety issues are going to be a real concern. The assistant coach, the quarterback's coach, who reportedly, according to the grand jury report, witnessed a boy being raped in a shower by Jerry Sandusky. He will not be attending the game. His name is Mike McQueary. McQueary has been the subject. He's received a number of death threats and threats, and so obviously the authorities there are concerned about him. I think there's probably a lot of concern in State College right now about the students. They acted, in my opinion, very inappropriately on Wednesday night when Paterno was fired, rioting in the streets. They overturned a television ban. That was an interesting aspect of this, that the rest of the country is really kind of revolted by the allegations against, not only against Sandusky, but also Paterno and other university officials who failed to act once they learned about these allegations. In State College, people are blaming the media. They're blaming the messenger for the message. And that was, I think, really disturbing. It's almost like there's a bubble, a cocoon around that community, that people are having a really hard time accepting the fact that Paterno could have done something and clearly didn't act. I mean, and by his own admission, didn't do enough to stop, maybe future attacks on other boys. It's a bad situation for Penn State, and I just don't see how, it's going to get any better for the near term.